The road to responsibility. Jason had always been a thrill seeker. From the moment he got his driver's license, he loved nothing more than the feeling of the wind rushing past as he sped down the highway. He took pride in his ability to maneuver through traffic effortlessly, believing he had complete control over any situation. His friends admired his daring nature, while his parents constantly worried about his reckless driving habits. One evening, after a long day at work, Jason received a message from his best friend, Kevin, inviting him to a party on the other side of town. Excited, Jason grabbed his car keys and headed out, ignoring his mother's warning to drive safely. The city was bustling with activity, and he impatiently weaved through traffic, cutting corners and pushing the speed limit. At the party, Jason enjoyed himself, catching up with friends and having a few drinks. As the night progressed, he felt a sense of invincibility. When Kevin suggested they take a taxi home, Jason scoffed at the idea. "I've driven under worse conditions," he boasted. Despite Kevin's protests, Jason got behind the wheel, revved his engine, and sped off into the night. The roads were mostly clear, and Jason saw it as an opportunity to push his car to its limits. The exhilaration was short-lived, however, as he approached an intersection at high speed. He barely noticed the red light in time. Before he could react, a van appeared from the side street. There was a deafening crash, the sound of metal twisting and shattering glass filling the air. The next thing Jason knew, he was waking up in a hospital bed, his head throbbing. His right arm was wrapped in a cast, and his legs were covered in bruises. But what truly hit him the hardest was the news that followed. Kevin had suffered a spinal injury and might never walk again. The van driver, a father of two, was in critical condition. Guilt overwhelmed Jason as he lay in bed, replaying the events in his mind. He had always thought he was in control, but in reality, he had put multiple lives in danger. His reckless behavior had consequences that extended beyond himself. Legal action followed, and Jason was charged with reckless driving and causing bodily harm. His driver's license was revoked, and he was sentenced to community service at a local rehabilitation center. It was here that his perspective on driving and life began to shift. At the center, he met people whose lives had been permanently altered by accidents. He spoke with individuals who had lost limbs, families mourning loved ones, and young people like Kevin whose futures had been drastically changed. One woman, a mother of three, shared how a speeding driver had taken her husband's life, leaving her children fatherless. These stories pierced Jason's heart. He had spent years believing that nothing bad could happen to him, but he was wrong. Every reckless choice had the potential to ruin lives. Determined to make amends, Jason threw himself into his community service. He assisted patients with their therapy, learned about the struggles of rehabilitation, and even spoke at local schools about the dangers of reckless driving. He no longer saw driving as a game but as a responsibility. Months passed, and Jason completed his sentence. However, the lessons he had learned stayed with him. He enrolled in a driver's safety program and took courses on defensive driving. He started volunteering with road safety organizations, advocating for stricter regulations on drunk and reckless driving. Kevin, after months of therapy, eventually regained limited movement in his legs. Though their friendship was strained at first, he saw the changes in Jason and forgave him. "You're not the same person who drove that night," Kevin told him. "And that's a good thing." Years later, Jason became a driving instructor, dedicating his life to teaching young drivers the importance of responsibility on the road. Every student he taught, every seminar he conducted, was a step toward preventing tragedies like his own. Driving was no longer just about speed or skill to Jason, it was about protecting lives. He had learned his lesson the hard way, but he hoped his story would stop others from making the same mistakes. He had been given a second chance, and he was determined to use it wisely. Title: The Endless Traffic Nightmare. Oliver had never been a morning person, but he had learned to adapt. His daily commute was an intricate dance of timing, shortcuts, and sheer luck. He knew which intersections to avoid, what time the traffic lights changed, and even which radio stations provided the most accurate traffic reports. But this morning, all his strategies would be put to the ultimate test. It started like any other day. Oliver left his apartment at precisely 7 a.m., coffee in hand, and his GPS confirming an estimated arrival time of 7:45. Perfect. He turned on his favorite podcast and settled in for what should have been a routine drive. The first sign of trouble came just 5 minutes into his journey. The main road leading to the freeway was packed far worse than usual. Cars barely inched forward. He turned on the radio, hoping for some insight. Breaking traffic news: a major accident on the interstate has caused a complete shutdown of all southbound lanes. Expect significant delays. Oliver's grip tightened on the steering wheel. The freeway was his fastest route. He had no choice but to find an alternative. Pulling up his GPS, he searched for side streets. A route through the business district seemed promising. He quickly took a right turn, hoping to bypass the congestion. At first, it worked. Traffic was light, and he gained some ground. But his relief was short-lived. As he approached the next intersection, flashing lights and barricades blocked the road. A construction worker waved him away. "You've got to be kidding me," Oliver muttered, forced to turn back. Now running late, he tried another route. This one led him through a quiet residential area, a detour he had never taken before. He felt hopeful again until he hit a stop sign where a long line of school buses blocked the road. Parents were dropping off their children, and there was no way around them. Unbelievable. Oliver groaned, slamming the steering wheel in frustration. By now, he had lost 20 precious minutes. He checked his watch. 7:40 a.m. He still had a chance if he could just keep moving. Determined, he found yet another side road. This one was eerily empty. Too good to be true? Probably. But he had no other choice. He sped up slightly, weaving through the narrow streets. Just as he thought he had escaped the chaos, disaster struck. A train crossing. The red lights flashed, and the barriers came down. A long freight train, moving at an agonizingly slow pace, clattered across the tracks. Oliver watched helplessly as the minutes ticked by. He checked his phone. His boss had sent a message: "Where are you? The meeting starts in 10 minutes." Fantastic, Oliver mumbled sarcastically. After what felt like an eternity, the train finally passed. He hit the gas, desperate to make up lost time. But luck was not on his side. He turned a corner and came face to face with a massive traffic jam. Cars lined up for blocks, all trying to merge onto the only open road leading downtown. By now, it was clear, he was doomed. There was no making it on time. Accepting defeat, he leaned back in his seat and sighed. As he sat there, he noticed the world around him. A woman in the next car was singing along to the radio, seemingly unbothered by the traffic. A cyclist weaved through the gridlock, free of the frustration that plagued drivers. A street vendor was setting up his cart, smiling as he prepared for the day ahead. Oliver exhaled. Maybe he had been too caught up in his frustration. He couldn't control traffic, but he could control his attitude. Taking a deep breath, he pulled out his phone and texted his boss: "Stuck in a traffic nightmare. I'll join the meeting remotely." With that, he put his car in park, took a sip of his now cold coffee, and decided to make the best of the situation. After all, in a city like this, traffic was inevitable, but stress didn't have to be. A lesson on the road. Daniel had always dreamed of driving. Ever since he was a child, he would watch in admiration as his father expertly navigated the roads. When he finally turned 18 and got his driver's license, he felt like he had gained ultimate freedom. However, with that freedom came a dangerous level of confidence. One evening, After finishing his shift at a local cafe, Daniel received a message from his friends inviting him to a weekend road trip. Excited by the idea, he jumped into his car and sped off to meet them, barely stopping at intersections and ignoring speed limits. He had never been caught before, so he saw no reason to slow down. That night, as they set off on their trip, Daniel took charge of the driving. The open highway stretched before them, and with the music blasting and the adrenaline pumping, he couldn't resist the urge to push the accelerator. His friends cheered him on, laughing as he swerved between lanes. The excitement, however, was short-lived. As they approached a curve in the road, Daniel misjudged the turn. The car veered off the highway and skidded onto the grass, flipping over twice before coming to a stop. For a few seconds, there was silence, then came the sound of sirens in the distance. When Daniel opened his eyes, he was in a hospital bed. His right leg was in a cast, and a sharp pain throbbed in his head. His parents sat beside him, their faces filled with worry and disappointment. But the worst news was yet to come. His best friend, Jake, had suffered a severe spinal injury, and another friend, Mia, had broken her arm. The realization hit him like a punch to the gut. His reckless driving had caused all of this. A few days later, the police arrived with charges: reckless endangerment and speeding. His license was suspended, and he was assigned community service at a rehabilitation center. It was there that Daniel truly understood the consequences of his actions. He met patients who had lost mobility due to accidents, individuals who had once been full of life but were now confined to wheelchairs. He listened to their stories, some caused by others' carelessness, some by their own mistakes. One man, a former athlete, shared how a single night of reckless driving had left him unable to walk ever again. These encounters changed Daniel's perspective completely. For the first time, he realized that driving was not just about skill or confidence, it was about responsibility. He had been lucky to survive the crash, but not everyone in his car had walked away unscathed. The guilt weighed on him, and he vowed to make amends. Determined to turn his life around, Daniel took defensive driving courses and dedicated his free time to speaking at schools about road safety. He shared his story, hoping to prevent others from making the same mistakes. He also spent time helping Jake with his rehabilitation, supporting him in every way possible. Over the years, Daniel became a certified driving instructor, determined to teach young drivers the importance of safety. Every lesson he gave was a reminder of his own past, a lesson he had learned the hard way. Though the scars of his past mistakes would always remain, Daniel had found a way to turn them into something meaningful. He no longer saw driving as a thrill, it was a privilege, a responsibility that should never be taken lightly. Title: Racing Against the Clock. Liam prided himself on his punctuality. As a project manager, he believed that time was the most valuable resource, and he planned his daily commute with precision. Each morning, he left home at 7 a.m. sharp, expecting to reach his downtown office by 7:45 a.m. It was a routine he had perfected over the years until today. The day started off smoothly. With his coffee in one hand and his keys in the other, Liam stepped into his car, turned on his favorite morning radio show, and pulled out of the driveway. But as soon as he turned onto the main road, he knew something was wrong. A sea of red brake lights stretched before him. The usually steady flow of traffic was at a complete standstill. He sighed and turned up the radio for an update. Breaking news: a multi-car accident on the interstate has led to severe delays. Commuters are advised to take alternate routes. Liam clenched his jaw. His usual freeway route was out of the question. He pulled up his GPS, searching for an alternative. A side street near the industrial area looked like a promising detour. Without hesitation, he made a turn. For a few blissful minutes, it seemed like a brilliant decision. He sped down the quiet street, avoiding the jam. But as he approached an intersection, a flashing sign shattered his relief: road closed, construction ahead. Unbelievable, he muttered, forced to make another detour. Now heading through a suburban area, he hoped for clear roads. But fate had other plans. A long line of yellow school buses stretched ahead, stopping every few yards to pick up students. Parents waved their kids off while traffic crawled forward at an agonizing pace. Liam checked the clock. 7:35 a.m. He was running out of time. Determined not to be late, he turned onto yet another street. This one, thankfully, was clear. His hope returned until he saw flashing red lights ahead. A train crossing. A freight train, moving at a snail's pace, clanked across the tracks. Liam groaned as the minutes ticked by. His phone buzzed with a text from his assistant, * boss just asked for you. Are you close, *? Not even a little, he muttered under his breath. Finally, the train passed, and the barriers lifted. Liam floored the gas pedal, desperate to make up lost time. But as he merged onto the last major road leading downtown, he found himself in yet another traffic jam. A sea of honking cars blocked his way. Defeated, he leaned back in his seat. There was no way he would make it in time. Frustration bubbled up inside him, but then he noticed something: the people around him. A young woman in the car next to him was laughing at something on her phone. A delivery driver tapped his fingers on the steering wheel, humming along to a tune. A cyclist zipped past, unaffected by the gridlock. Liam took a deep breath. He couldn't change the traffic, but he could change his attitude. He picked up his phone and sent a message to his assistant, * stuck in traffic. I'll join the meeting remotely *. As he took a sip of his now lukewarm coffee, he realized something important. No matter how well he planned, life was unpredictable. And sometimes, the best thing to do was to accept it and move forward one slow mile at a time.